Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Solution Book. In this video, I will explain some question from party section of CSIR NET June 2019. Let us start our first question in this video. The 9 numbers x1, x2, x3 up to x9 are in ascending order. Their average m strictly greater than all first 8 numbers. It means x1 to x8. Which of the following is true? We can observe from options that we have to find the mean of 10 numbers x1 to x9 and m. Okay, we have given x1 to x9 numbers and their average is m. x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to x9 upon, these are the sum of all numbers divided by total number, which is 9, which is equal to average or mean. Average or mean you can say, which is equal to m. So x1 plus x2 up to sum of x9 numbers, 9 will be multiplied here, 9m. Okay, when we find average of x1 plus x2 up to x9 plus m, now we have 10 numbers, 1 to 9 are this and 10th is this one, so divided by 10, which is equal to, we will substitute this equation x1 plus x2 up to x9 here, okay, which is equal to 9m plus m upon 10. This is the average we have to find. Okay, 9m plus m is 10m upon 10. 10 will cancel out and we will get m. It means average should equals to m. Now let us see, only third option satisfy this condition, which means C is the correct answer. Let us start our next question. We can see that this question is about mean and median. We will see some basic definition about mean and median. That mean is average of all number, we can say sum of all observations divided by total number of observation. Okay, and median. For calculating median, first of all we arrange all the given data in ascending order. Okay, and if the total number of terms are odd and even, there are two different ways to find out median. For odd number of term, we will use n plus 1 upon 2. This is if suppose n equals to 9, then 9 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to fifth term. So this term will be our median. Okay, if n is even, then n upon 2 and n upon 2 plus 1. We will find these two terms, n upon 2th term and n upon 2 plus 1th term. It means next to this. Then taking average of these two terms, this will be our median in this case. Okay, as we know, when we arrange the terms in ascending order, in this case median is the middle term, lie exactly at the observation value. Means n plus 1 upon 2th term is any term which is given in the observation. It means lie at, we can say, one value, lie at median. And in this case, these values are not median. Average of these two values are median. It means after calculation we got a number which is not the exact value given. Okay, we can say one value or no value lies at median. This is the general conclusion for median. Okay, let us see the question. The length of the cylinder is measured 10 yield 10 distinct values. We measure 10 times the length of cylinder and we get 10 different values. We have to check the correctness of all these options. 5 of these values will lie above the mean and 5 below it. Actually, this is not certainly true in all the cases. Let us consider a journal example. Let some values are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 26. Okay, this is journal example. Then mean is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 20 upon 6, which is equal to 35 upon 6. 5.8 approximately. Okay, from this data we can conclude that mean is lying here between 5 and 20. So it does not follow that half of the values are less than mean and half of the values are more than mean. This is not true for all the cases. Okay, this is a contradictory example to option 1. Hence, option A is wrong. Let us check remaining options. Option B is 5 of these values will lie above median and 5 below it. As we know that median is the mid value when we arrange in the ascending order. We have already written the conclusion. No value lie at the median, but median will lie between 5th and 6th term for n equals to 10. Hence, 5 values will lie above the median and 5 will lie below the median. This is correct and this is wrong. C option is at least one value will lie above the mean. It is correct because from this example we can see that at least one value is lying above the mean, and this is true for all cases because it is not possible that for this case also that mean is greater than 20. When none of the observation is greater than 20, so mean can't be greater than 20. It means at least one value should be such that which lies above the mean. Okay, option C is correct. Let us check option D. At least one value lie at the median. As we have already concluded that If n is odd, then we can say that one value lie at the median. But for even n, no value lie at the median. So D option is wrong. B and C are correct. Let us check the options. B and C, it is correct. A is wrong. D is wrong. And here A and D all are wrong. Hence, this is the correct answer. Let us see our next question. In the given circle, O is the center. This is the O. Angle PAO is 40. Angle PAO. This is 40. Angle PBQ. PBQ. This is 30. Outer angle of AOB. This is the inner angle and this is outer angle, which is equal to 220 degree. And we have to find angle AQB. AQB. Okay. So let us start its solution. As we know that at point O, total angle is 360 degree. Okay. And we will find inner angle. Outer angle AOB is 220. So angle AOB, inner angle of angle AOB is equal to 360 minus 220, which is equal to 140 degree. Okay, this angle is 140 degree. As we know that AB are the 2 point. If AB are the 2 point at the circumference, then angle subtended at the center is always double the angle subtended at the circumference. Like this and this, both these angle will be equal and equal to half of this one. Okay. As we know that angle AOB is always double the angle APB, which is equal to angle twice of angle AQB. We don't have to find this, we have to find this one. So which is equal to angle AOB equals to twice angle AQB. And we know that AOB angle is 140 degree. That implies angle AQB equals to 140 upon 2, which is equal to 70. Okay, this is the correct answer. We should know that angle subtended at the center is double the angle subtended at the circumference. Now let us see next question. A canal system is shown in the figure. Water flows from A to B. From A to B. There are two paths through two channels. The gate G1 and G2 are operated independently to regulate the flow. The probability that G1 is to be open is 10%, while that of G2 is 20%. The probability that water will flow from A to B. As we know that water will flow from A to B if G1 is open and G2 is closed. Water will reach here. If G1 is closed and G2 is open, then also water will reach. If both the gate will open, then also water will reach. Only one case, means both the gate are closed, then water can't reach. So rather than finding three probabilities, we will find single probability. As we know that required probability is equal to 1 minus probability that water will not flow. It means G1 closed and G2 also closed. Okay, 1 minus. As we know, probability of G1 to be open is 10%. Probability of G1 to be closed is 90%. and probability of G2 to be open is 20%. It means probability of G2 to be closed is 80%. Okay, here we will take the probability of both closed gate. It means 90 upon 100. This is percentage na, 90% multiply 80%. Okay, zeros will get cancel out and 1 minus 72 upon 100, which is equal to 100 minus 72 upon 100, which is equal to 28 upon 100, which is equal to 28%. It means the probability that water will flow from A to B is 28%. This is the correct answer. Our next question is, point A on the wheel of the radius R touches the horizontal plane of the point P. This is the wheel and this is point P. Initially, when wheel rotate like this, it will move like this. When the wheel will rotate in this direction, it will reach at this final position. We have to find the final distance AP here. As we know that this is the diameter and radius R is given, it means this should be 2R. Let this point be M. Now we have, for finding AP, we have this AM 2R and we have to find this PM. It means when the wheel rotate, this portion come in contact with ground. Okay, it means this one portion, this up to here half, is equal to PM. And what is this half circumference represent? Circumference is 2 pi r complete, and we have to find up to this point half circumference, which is equal to PM, which is equal to pi r, and AM is equal to 2r. Now by applying Pythagoras theorem, we will get AP square is equal to PM square plus AM square, which is equal to PM means pi r square plus AM means 2r square, and AP is square root of pi r square plus 4. These both r are same here. Okay, so don't be confused. We can take r square common, pi square plus 4, and we will get r out here and pi square plus 4. Let us see any option matches with this one. We can clearly see that C option matches and C is the correct answer.